The Alaska District provides a full range of quality engineering, construction, science, and technical services in support of U.S. Army Corps of Engineer operations in Alaska, the Pacific region, and the world. It is responsible for core projects in a geographical area larger than any other district. As an intern or extern, you'll be working alongside a professional legal team at the headquarters.
Another aspect that's key about the Corps of Engineers is that teamwork, or the team itself, seems to matter more here. The same is true, the same carries over in Office of Counsel. And when I say that, the attorneys, the paraprofessionals as well, so basically anybody on staff in OC cares about your professional and personal development. There were we had a number of meetings throughout the course of my internship over the summer. They got to know who I was. We sat down, we had weekly staff meetings, but those staff meetings weren't just directed at the work that we were doing at the time, but also just kind of getting a sense of who you were as a person, the kind of work that you were interested in. And they carried on into other aspects of the day-to-day work. It wasn't just relegated to the staff meeting. They were curious about the type of work that I wanted to be doing, whether or not I was mostly interested in litigation or transactional law, whether or not the work of a government attorney and of counsel was something that I was really interested in pursuing once I graduated.
As an intern or extern at the district, you will work side by side with OC attorneys on a diverse array of projects. During your time here, you will be treated just like any of the other attorneys. You will not just sit and do research or handle paperwork for other attorneys. You will be handed your own projects, and you will personally provide staff with guidance and interact with outside attorneys.
Well, the district's Office of Counsel, or OC, provides legal services to all the programs within the district and all the staff. We cover a lot of areas, and a lot of areas that a lot of law students are probably unaware of. Some of the services that we provide touch on government contracts, real estate, environmental. We administer a program on behalf of the Department of Defense where we enter into agreements with Indian tribes to provide them money so that they can remediate environmental impacts that DoD left on their property. We also do civil works. We administer Section 404 of the Clean Water Act. We do labor, and we do government ethics. This office is comprised of 5 practicing attorneys and 3 paralegal professionals. The office promotes a very collegial environment, and all the attorneys and paralegal professionals in the office will take an interest in you, both personally and professionally. Although you will be given a lot of responsibility and autonomy, every attorney in the office has an open door policy, and you're welcome to come into our office to talk about legal issues if you have a question about a specific project that you might be working on. But we're also there to provide mentorship and answer any questions that you might have about job search, career, anything along those lines. We want to be there for you to help you become a well-rounded attorney. Here in the district, your supervisor will provide you with a lot of feedback that will help you improve your skills.
Personally, I was interested in environmental law and litigation. Because of the flexibility here at the office, I was able to provide assistance in all sorts of civil works and regulatory permitting projects under the Clean Water Act and Rivers and Harbors Act. I was also able to draft a complaint for federal court and litigation reports for the Justice Department, and I was able to be involved in strategizing defenses in all of these lawsuits.
Professional and personal development, they're definitely concerned about, regardless of whether or not you're actually able to make, that you're actually able to work here in the future, that you're actually able to, make a significant impact, but they're also worried that and hopeful that what you learn here you're able to take with you, whether that's in your next semester in law school or once you graduate and you're actually entering into the legal field.
While pursuing your career goals, you'll be working near Alaska's largest city, surrounded by scenery in almost every direction. A large network of parks and trails are available for summer and winter outdoor activities. The city is just a few hours' drive to some of the most incredible landscapes in our national and state parks.
What you do here in the district has real effects, and your work means a lot to people here in Alaska. It's one of the best things about working here at the Alaska District.